Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to do a video on the resistance of tap water. Before starting, please subscribe my channel. So here I have with me a 9-volt battery, tap water and an LED. So let's start with. Here are the two positive terminals, one directly from the battery and another from the positive terminal of the LED. We have connected the negative terminal. Oops. We have connected the negative terminal of the battery directly to the LED, and now on putting both the terminals of positive side, the LED is glowing, and it is quite obvious that the LED will glow because tap water contains minerals and iron, a little amount of iron. Thus the electrons can freely travel through the water. As a result, the LED glows. Thank you very much, and do subscribe my channel and like.